So this is my first attempt to record a video in my garage as I'm doing a little job for my girlfriend. I'm going to put the summer tires on her car using Nathan's knockoff GoPro camera, my iPhone, and a super old Android tablet that I got. We'll see what we can do.
This is my roommate's box for his truck. We're rebuilding it.
Working in a small shop, it's a chore sometimes. You always have to move other things around before you get to work on what you actually want to work on. Prioritizing how you use your space is pretty important. Since it's a little easier while the wheels and tires are off the car, we're just gonna use a little spray nine to get them clean. I think the lug nuts are 21 millimeter. Naturally, I have a 22 or a 13/16. And the 13/16 is not an impact socket. So I'm going to use it anyway in the interest of generating comments for the YouTube.
Oil your tools, and they'll last. These are winter lug nuts, or winter wheel bolts. Because you have dissimilar metals in steel wheels or alloys, so the nuts that you use on your steel wheels will interact with the metal of your alloys and rust. So you use separate wheel nuts for the summer and the winter. And these ones are pretty. See the tapered end on the nut? That's a lug-centric wheel, meaning that it's the lug nuts themselves which will put the wheel in the proper position on the hub, as opposed to the hub and the wheel's mating surfaces. Click. This corner of the garage is a little dark, so as you can see, we've got some fluorescents burnt out. Actually, it's the ballast. We're going to upgrade them to LED and maybe feature that in a future video. Thank you all for having a watch of my video. This video was never meant for public consumption, strictly to see if it was possible for me to make a video with the technology that I had, to see if I was capable of editing it in a coherent way, and to see if this is something I would like to pursue a bit more as a hobby. So thank you for watching. Please share your direct criticisms with me of specific
aspects of the video that you think I should change, and if possible, please advice on how to do so. It's the first time I've ever created anything like this. It's quite difficult, and I already learned some important lessons, especially about the audio. My primary camera audio was unusable for the entire video, so I spent the majority of the editing time snipping audio from other sources and matching it up with my primary video. Quite difficult task for your first time video editing. Anyway, thanks again. I do look forward to your criticisms.